It's time for another Stitch Fix unboxing. So I have another back-to-back. I'm just getting these back-to-back because I have nothing to lose. They're waiving the fee. These are just always fun to see what they pick out for you and see how they suggest to style certain outfits and just see what's out there. And if it's something that possibly I wouldn't look for already, but then something that I really like. So I do like to get these boxes, and when they're waiving the styling fee, I feel like I have nothing to lose. So let's see what's inside this new box. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service that does charge a $20 styling fee, and that's what they've been waiving for me the last few times that I've went to go check out. If you do purchase anything from the box, that $20 does go toward that purchase. If you don't, then you are out the $20. It does come with a pre-labeled package to send anything back. It's free shipping and it's free returns back. And here is what the inside of the box looks like, packed up nice and neat. The note from the stylist is also included, and it looks like I still have Kirsten as my stylist, and this looks like a pretty reasonably priced box. There are 5 items in here, so let's see what's inside. Here's the bundle. Looks like some pinks, blues, so some really pretty colors for spring and for summertime. First thing is from Market & Spruce, the Juni Blouse in pink, size medium. So it has a little ruffle detail on the sleeves. We'll see about this. I feel like it's going to be see-through, but we'll see. Something orange from BRITTON. The Carter tank in orange. Nice little shorter style. And then this looks like some kind of blazer. 41 HAWTHORN ruched sleeve collared blazer in blue, size medium. I do like this color. And it's actually lined and feels like it almost has a linen blend. Let's see what it's made out of. It is made out of 100% polyester, so I don't guess it does have a linen blend, but it does feel like it. Next thing up looks like some bottoms from Studio Blue. Destiny extended waistband crop wide leg pant, beige size 8. I have a pair almost identical that they sent me, and I feel like it was from Studio Blue. I'm gonna have to look back on that because I did just wear those recently, and they look almost identical to these. And then something else from Studio Blue, the Davina high rise utility wide leg in navy. So that looks like the same kind of style. Was it the same? Now this is the Destiny and this is the Davina, but they look very similar. They're both from Studio Blue and they both have that cropped look, so we'll see. But those beige ones look like ones almost identical to something that I've gotten in a previous box just recently. Sometimes I get a little confused by what she says to pair together, but she said to pair together this blue blazer with this orange top and the beige bottoms to create a look. So this blazer I absolutely love. It's just open front, you've got your side pockets, it's lined in this fun striped lining, ruched sleeves, which I love because most of the time I'm having to kind of pull up my sleeves anyway. It fits a little tight here in the shoulders, so I'm gonna have to walk around a little bit to see if this is gonna fit, or if I might need to try to size up. I don't have to worry about buttons pulling or anything like that, but the shoulders, because I am a little bit more broad shoulder, it's in my normal size medium, but I feel like it's a little bit tight, and especially like here in the armpit. So we'll have to see about that because I do love this. I think it's a really nice blazer. And then the top, this orange top, let me just go ahead and take the blazer off so you can see the top by itself. It's just a tank, and it's a good length, and it does look good with the beige by itself. Now, these beige pants look exactly like a pair that I have, and if they're not Studio Blue, they're tribal, but they did come from Stitch Fix, and they're just too identical. They're like this ankle length style and everything, so I don't need the pants, but I do think this looks good together, and I'm trying to debate on whether or not I need the top or not. I do love orange, and it's just so bright and cheery for summertime. So let's see what the price of all this is. So the blazer is $78, not bad for a blazer, and then this tank is $39, again, not a bad price. And then these bottoms are $78. So yeah, I'm definitely not gonna keep the bottoms just because I have something so similar to it, and they're $78. Here's the last 2 pieces, and she did exactly what I asked. I asked for, well, I actually asked for 8 pieces, but I didn't get 8 pieces, and there was only 2 things that I kept from the preview, which was that blazer and the orange tank, and I had asked for some outfits to go around that, and so she did give me 2 outfits, even though I'm not really sure that I would pair that orange with that blue. I just don't like that color combo together. This top I'm not really a fan of. It is a little bit see-through. I just don't like the fit of it. And I really don't like the tops that are so long in the back. It does have nice ruffled sleeves and it feels good. It's just, I don't know, I'm just not into this top too much. The bottoms I like, but again, I think I have something very similar to this. I mean, they're just a navy bottom, hit me right at the ankle. They do fit pretty well. I do like Studio Blue. They seem to fit me pretty nicely, and I love navy and pink together. So I think the outfit's a really good outfit, but I just don't think I need either of these pieces. So this top is $55, and the bottoms are $78. So the total for all 5 of these items is $328, and if I buy all 5 and get the 25% discount, that takes $82 off, leaving the total to $246. So that's what I was saying when I had unboxed this. $246 is not a bad price for all 5 of these items. And especially when you're talking about a blazer being in there and then 2 pairs of bottoms. So let me just kind of recap and talk my way through these pieces. So for this outfit right here, I don't really care for the top too much. I just don't think it's flattering, doesn't do anything. It's nothing special, and it's $55, so I don't really think it's worth that. So I'll be sending the top back. The bottoms, I do like the bottoms. I think they fit nice. They feel good in the back. They're comfortable in the waist. I do like the length of them, but I have something so similar, and they're $78, so I don't need these either. The blazer, I tried it on again, and I'm thinking that, because I tried it on with this outfit because I thought this was a really good outfit. So I think that I could recreate the blazer with some pink top that I have already and some navy pants that I have already, because I think that's a really cute look. But I tried it on again with this outfit, and it's just really pulling too much in the shoulder. So I'm going to try to exchange it for a large to see if that will make a difference and if it will be a little bit of a better fit in a large. The orange tank, I think I really do like it. I like how the cut is and the length of it. So I think there's a lot of things that I could wear that with. So I think I may keep that orange top. The beige pants, I already have some just like that, so I'm not going to keep the beige pants. So I think out of these 5 items, I mean, nothing was bad. It's just, you know, nothing that's really eye-catching or anything like that. But I do think that I'll try to exchange the jacket, the blazer, and then I think I'll keep the tank. What did you guys think about this fix? Did you think it was a pretty good fix? So I'm not going to get the 25% off. Let me know what your favorite thing was, or what things did you like from this box. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider hitting the subscribe button as well, because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Until next time, have a wonderful day.